Hello guys, welcome to Logan's Starbucks review. Today we are gonna be playing Animal Company. I was just getting ready a bit for the game. Let's start it. Let me just double check. Yep, I'm recording. Welcome to Animal Company. Da, da, Oh, responding in. Okay, guys, viewers, let's get started into Animal Company. Viewers,
why are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber?
Yep, I am right now recording. Hello?
Oh my god, I subscribed to you. I know you. What's your name? What's your name?
It shows it in the badge, but without the 151.
I subscribed to you.
Oh, thanks. But I'm gonna go and start mining. So I'm gonna try and get some items. Feedback. Okay, let's go, guys. Oh, perfect.
I'm following you.
Okay, guys, we need something.
I'm a raccoon for garden.
Got to get something.
I want to follow him.
Okay, guys. Oh no. Do you see anything that I can mine with? Oh, stick.
I'm gonna follow this guy.
Okay, I need. Hey, help. Oh,
Hey.
thanks. I guess I'm gonna go and start mining.
Come and get your rare bag.
I'm going mining. Don't hurt me, please. Can I go mining with you? Oh.
Yeah.
We could go on the other side. Should we go on the other one? There's like a few more. Oh, hello guys.
Why would you just leave me like that?
I'm sorry.
Why?
There's monsters here. There's monsters there, guys.
Yeah, just kill them. Just kill them.
It's because I'm too scared. I'm too scared to kill monsters.
Oh.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, me too.
I saw it, guys. I saw. Guys, I'm in the sub-level and I left my flashlight. I need help, guys. I'm stuck. My points. Sick. Anybody?
We're calling for reinforcements, Pookie.
Can somebody save me? I'm stuck in a cave.
Yes, we know you're stuck, Sherlock Holmes. We're coming.
Thank you. I'll wave my bat around. I'm in like second floor where like there's hella gold in one spot near a branch. But I hear you guys.
Bro.
Oh. Guys, can you try and find me? I'm still stuck here. I see you guys. Who tossed that nugget? Somebody's here? Please come down. I'm stuck.
Resista.
Oh. At least I'm getting gold. Nothing. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. The horse. Anybody's here? I'm still stuck. I'm still stuck. Boom, 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 boom.
Also, may I acquire mine grappler when I get back over there? Let's do this.
No, I have. Guys, I only have one light source and I'm stuck in a cave. I need you guys, please. But I hear somebody. Hello? Anybody? I hear gunshots. Anybody came to save me? Please, God, you gotta be. Gotta be. Okay, guys. Okay, viewers, I'm gonna probably oof in the game. So
He's just a toxic race man.
anybody? I hear somebody.
You feel confident about is just killing, killing people.
Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm missing.
And being toxic.
And that's the one I've been. Yeah, thank you.
I'm just collecting the silver.
Thank you.
Silver drop, bro.
Thank you, guys.
I just killed, bro.
No, I need it. I needed that. I needed that. Thanks. Yeah, I needed it because I was missing. I was lost. Thanks.
My boy, you were literally.
No, I'm back.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I died.
Toxic, all I'm saying
I
is
just feel
you're
ghost that.
old.
Bro's so lonely. Bro's single.
What's this?
Could you buy a hammer?
Don't touch it.
Okay.
Bad boy.
Oh,
Touch this.
crowbar. That's what I just need. Recording. I'm not gonna use that.
Old.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go into a different lobby.
Hammer?
Yeah, thanks.
Can someone
Here,
buy me a
hey,
hammer?
look. Take this. Take the crowbar. I'm leaving. This game. People are saying bad words. I can't record this.
You told me.